Introducing this exceptional 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 383 square metre block full of opportunities. Built in 1955, experience a mix of modern sophistication and classical style. With 3 large double-sized bedrooms, all with their own built-in robes, and an outstanding main bathroom, you have plenty of choices when it comes to privacy and relaxation. Your entire family will enjoy the separate living, dining and kitchen areas. Connecting the rooms are the original Jarrah floorboards, creating an irreplaceable, classical atmosphere. Entertaining will never be the same with the 3 amazing outdoor living spaces, perfect for any occasion. Positioned on the tree-lined street of Griffin Crescent, be embraced by the close walking distance to shopping, cafes and public transport. Close to Aquinas College and Curtin University, it is the perfect place to raise a family or be part of a community. Don't wait another minute. Call Lauren or Raina today.